Now what I'm going to do is to cut the layer at 5 seconds, and for that I'm pressing Ctrl plus close bracket, sorry, Alt plus close bracket. Now I'm going to take a copy of it by pressing Ctrl D. You will have to drag this layer. Now you will have to end this orientation animation. Also I am going to make this layer as 2D, the new layer. Okay, now again I'm going to take a copy of it, press Ctrl D. Now I'm going to apply an effect called CC particle. CC particle system 2. I'm going to apply this on the upper layer, and also I'm searching for another effect called CC composite. You will have to drag CC composite on the top. Now I'm going to increase the birth rate to 50 and increase the longevity of to 4 seconds. Okay, now what I'm trying to do is going to this physics section and select the fractional explosive animation, and velocity should remain to 0.5 and inherent velocity to 40, gravity to 0.3 and resistance level to 20, and here make it 90, minus 90. Go to this particle section, mark on this source alpha, mark as checked. Maximum opacity should remain to 50. Select the birth color and the color and the red color should remain to a darker tone. Now I'm going to apply the animation. Mark a keyframe, bring the initial value to 0. Now move your cursor to 2 seconds. For that you will have to press Ctrl plus Shift and move 10 frames ahead. 30 frames means 1 second and next 30 means 2 seconds. Now type a value of 1920. I'm going to apply another effect called CC turbulent. So sorry, the name is turbulent displays. I'm going to change the amount of it by 30. Now on the layer which is inside, I'm going to apply linear wipe effect. will have to entirely match the upper keyframes. Put the keyframe and set the initial value to 0. I'm applying a feather of 40. Move your cursor and make the end value to 100. That's nice. Now I want to have the particle animation. For that I am taking a new composition. I am naming it as particles. I am taking a duration of 10 seconds. Now right click and take a null object. Now take a pen. I want the particles to start from here and go till here. Now make a path for that. Okay, the path is created. Now what I want, I want to open the mask. Press M, select the mask, copy it, and then go to this null object 1 and press P. Now go to the position and paste the mask on it. Now make the object to a 3D object. Press P on it. Now what I want, now I want to take a solid. Now what I'm doing is I'm dragging this null one layer to the top, and the position should remain open. Now I'm searching for an effect called particular. Just drag this new just drag the effect to this new layer. Okay, now you will have to go to this emitter and press Alt on this position. Press Alt and click here. Now there is an option, this option, pick whip. You will have to drag this to the position of null one object. You will have to drag this pick whip option to the position of this null object. Select the position from the top and just press enter. Now still few more changes are required. Increase the particles per second to 1000. Velocity needs to be decreased, making it 55. Now go to this particle section. I am decreasing the particle life to 1.4. Increase the random life to 100. Select the particle type to start. Also increase this size random to 100. Okay, let's play and check. Nice. Now I'm going to repeat the same thing for the top as well, and for that I'm taking a new composition. Looking nice. Now what I'm doing is going to this main composition and drag this particle composition on top. You will have to drag this till 8:15, 8 second 15 frame. I want this particles layer to appear when this wipe out text effect will end. Nice. Now drag the second composition of particle, drag it on top. Now you will have to drag this layer also, but this time you will have to drag this till 12 second. Let's see. Bring it little closer. Very nice. Now we are at the end. I want to add some kind of shuttering kind of effect, and for that I'm going to this layer, animated background. and at time frame of 16 seconds 15 frame, I'm adding a key on scatter and move my cursor to 1 second ahead. I'm decreasing the value. I've decreased it to 55. Here I also want to add a keyframe on wall size. And increase the value to 100. Now this will make some kind of shuttering kind of effect, looking nice. Just increase them a bit. Now play. It's looking very nice. Thank you viewers for watching my video. If you like the video, please press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon in order to get the future notifications, in order to get the notification for future videos. Thank you.